I believe a happy world starts with a happy school. Hi, my name is Action Jackson, motivational speaker and a consultant. My mission is to create a world where young people wake up happy and go to bed fulfilled. I have some exciting news. After months of writing, editing and sleepless nights, I'm happy to say that my latest book, Happy School 365, 21 Ways to Motivate Your Learners, is out. Come on, yay! I would love to invite you to join me on the virtual launch of this amazing book on the 17th of September 2020. With all that's happening in the world right now, there is a great need for some happiness, especially in our schools. And in this book, I've put together the tools that's going to help our teachers equip their kids with the motivation that they need to get through these tough times. I look forward to seeing you on the virtual launch day, 17th of September 2020. Click the link below to get yourself a free ticket. Hurry, places are limited. The first 10 people to sign up will get a signed copy of Happy School 365. So let's go. Let's equip our teachers with the tools to motivate their kids. See you soon. And remember, you are amazing. You are amazing.